So it is I on a Saturday. Pads in the background. Hey pads. I have several problems, and one of them is a 70-year-old's back pain situation. So for the first time ever, I am going to go get my back cracked. Yes, today is the day. I've been putting it off for the longest time, but I can't anymore. I can't even bend like without screaming internally with excruciating pain. I found this chiropractor based in Itaewon on the internet, the webinet. I just had a young little call with him about 45 minutes ago, asking him if I can come through. He said yes, so I have an appointment at 1:30. Oof, damn. I look crusty as hell, but that's fine. I feel the way I look. Internally crust, externally crustier. All in all, I really want to see how it goes down, and ouch. A lot of my problems, I think, stem from this mattress right here. This mattress right here is a problem. And just mattresses in general. All of the mattresses I've experienced in Korea are hard, solid rock. I've had mattress toppers in the past, but just not working for me. I think I have to get another one because this one has gone flat. So thank you, bed, for being my nemesis. And you're supposed to be my best friend, but here you are. Frenemies. Yeah, so I'm gonna be off now and we'll see how that goes. I am off. I'm going off at my bed and my problems and my other problems. But let's hope it's a success. Fingers crossed. Got 15 minutes to eat. I'm in Itaewon, by the way. Jesus knows how long I've been needing this in my life. Amen to Jesus Christ. I can't get too comfortable. This is not well warmed. I literally made the appointment this morning with a Dr. Lee. So just to pass the time now, I'm in Paris Baguette. Super hungry. I literally just ate the wet tissue. So funny. So the inspiration for this chiropractor appointment is in some ways TikTok, because like I've seen these little videos of people getting their backs cracked. And like the sigh of relief they have after that has happened is something I've been wishing upon myself from like day one, since I've been experiencing like back issues, especially my lower back. I don't know what it is. I think it's just a combination of things: stress, bad mattresses throughout my stay here, as well as, well, also being a kindergarten teacher. I mean, you know, like in my past life, I kindergartened and sitting on the floor all the time, and it's just definitely a combination of factors. I'd like to actually see myself getting cracked, snackle, and popped. What are those Rice Krispie catchphrases? Snap, crackle, and pop? Yeah, I want to see myself getting snap, crackled, and popped. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Like, it's my first appointment ever, like first time I'm ever trying this. And actually, from some of the price comparisons I made, this guy's relatively cheap. He said on the phone, because I made the appointment this morning, on the phone it's like 60,001, which is just over 700 rand, about maybe 750, 800 rand for a session. It's like, yeah, Itaewon Wellness Center. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I pray that it's everything I need it to be after the fact. So I'm just gonna... Oh crap, I've got 10 minutes. Okay, later. The doctor's actually the sweetest because when I look here, he even sent me pictures, unprovoked, of how to get here. So I'm here. Oh, here it is. I found it. Okay. Here. Let me actually step out of the way. Not me the way, I literally thought I was going to be late. I'm like here, and it's just been interesting because I have 3 minutes to spare. No, the money could be better, doctor, to be honest with you, hey?
Hey?
It really could be better. That's why I'm very, like, I don't want to spend a lot of money on hospitals and things because I don't earn enough. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, so you said, like, oh, it's because of, like, African Americans, like, big butt that causes...
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
According to my experience.
Okay. So how do I lie on this thing? Like, just like this?
Yeah. Face down, face down.
Okay, okay.
I'm assuming that this is your first time to see chiropractor.
First time ever in my life, yes.
That's good. I can do whatever I want.
Okay, oh no. Okay.
Relax, relax, relax. Maybe first impression, your butt didn't go backward too much.
Okay.
Number
Yes, Dr. Lee.
you can go home. Nice to meet you.
No, not yet. Right there, doctor, like right here, like here. Like this area right there.
I don't care.
What? You don't care? Oh my gosh.
I'm having a headache
Oh really?
already.
Oh really? Why? Why are you having a headache?
The beer.
Yes,
You have to
doctor.
lose weight.
Mm,
Trunk is okay. Okay?
mm,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
Somehow, since you're close to Bukansan, we have to climb up.
Yeah, I mean, also I think because of winter and everything, you know, we haven't really been as active.
That's true too.
Yeah.
예.
안녕하세요.
기다리세요.
네, 이쪽이
Very good. Right?
Not really.
You have to say yes. Sometimes after I do this,
Yes.
you feel more sore. But pain, you are gonna have a less pain.
Okay. Are you still gonna crack my back or?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Why?
Okay, cause I don't know how it works, you know.
You have a bachelor or you have a master degree?
I have a master's
In
in political science.
oh, give me a break.
Why?
So you know how to talk,
Yeah, I'm a bit of a talker if I need to be.
even when you dive into water. You can talk to fishes. What time do you finish every day?
Late, like 6.
So you cannot come here during weekdays.
No,
Good.
unfortunately not.
It means I can go home early.
What time do you close at 4, right?
No, sometimes I close at weekdays. It has to be 7, but no patients. I can go home early.
Okay.
If you have a pain, okay, put a heating pad. You didn't do any sports when you were young?
I used to do tennis, play tennis,
Okay.
and netball and fencing.
Fencing?
Yeah. I did that in university.
Oh.
And then
How many years?
only 1 year.
Only 1 year?
Yeah.
I don't want to torture you, but if I don't torture, then your muscles don't loosen.
Yes, I understand.
Torture is over.
Okay. Honestly, I'm still genuinely processing what just happened in there. Genuinely. Okay, so I couldn't record the actual experience, but there's a recording of like sound recording, audio recording as far as that is concerned. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You know what? I have like a voice recording of just our dialogue, the doctor and I, and me on the actual chiropractic bed chair. Firstly, like my first impressions of the actual doctor area, like the practice itself, very interesting. Like I grabbed a snippet of just how it looks. I'll include it, but it's so funny. It was like my first impression. When you first step in, it's so cluttered. Like it is so cluttered. That's the first word that came into my mind. It's so cluttered. It's not an open space. You definitely are going to be in for a surprise when you get there. Whether it's pleasant or not, that's up to you. That's so relative, but he's a really friendly dude. He's a really friendly doctor guy. You can just did I just say doctor guy? Yeah, I did. I'll definitely include the recording. It's so funny. It was missions cracking this back. It was missions, supposedly largely because of the African size that I am. But it's so funny because, yeah, it's just not something I expected. I expected a more like, I don't want to use professional because each to their own, but I really expected something different. Like a clear, open space, you know, very clinical. I thought of it as that it would be very clinical. But that's not what I got. It wasn't giving that at all. He has like action figures across the wall leading up to his little like doctor space. He's yeah guys, I don't know what to say. I have a hot patch on. He said I should, from the recording, which I will definitely put in there. And I'm wondering because I'm interested to play back this recording and just hear the conversation that just went down. And if I could actually hear any cracks, like, you know, occurring, because when you're in the moment, you can't really hear them. I heard, like, when he did my neck, I heard my neck crack. But, like, I was really just wanting my lower back to, like, crack the up. Like a whole snap, crackle, and pop situation, you know. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes down. And in terms of me listening to what just happened. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, he said I should take off the hot patch that he had put on my lower back. When did he say? Monday morning. But if it gets itchy, Sunday. So tomorrow night. Okay. Oof. Yeah, there's a lot happening right now. But yeah, like I'll just calibrate, recalibrate throughout the week and see how I feel. And if I feel the need to come back, I will. I'm 60% sure that I may not come back. But he's a really friendly guy. Like, I'd come back for his personality, but he's also very blunt sometimes with the stuff he says, you know, just off the bat. But it is what it is. I mean, why sugarcoat the obvious? Umuntu girl is slightly on the big side, and we're embracing that. But I guess the moment it starts infringing on my health, then maybe it's time to think about one or two things, you know, just my lifestyle choices and just being a bit more active. But in my defense, it is winter right now, so I have been super dormant. And obviously winter uyadla, you eat. That's just how it goes. Characteristics of winter, period. But anywho, I have a lot to look forward to this week. I'm trying to not think about other things that are bothering the crap out of me. But yes, Solal is coming up, which is Korean New Year, aka Lunar New Year, which is celebrated by most Asian countries. So as a result of that, we have red days coming up, and that's like 3 days. But I ended up taking 2 days of my holiday leaf days off too. As a result of that, 3 + 2, 5, I've taken the whole week off. And because of that, I am going to Busan. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Another solocation is loading. Solocation is definitely loading on my part. I will be flying out tomorrow night. Actually, not tomorrow night. Sunday, yes. But like early evening. So around 6. Yes, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be flying to Busan from Gimpo Airport. So yeah, I'm doing it all again. The same situation I had when I was going to Jeju. When I went to Jeju, so it's like Gimpo. But instead of going to Jeju International Airport, I'll be going to Gimhae. Gimhae is the airport in Busan. But I will be talking more about that tomorrow. I now need to get home and pack. Have not packed an inch. I'm seeing now that I actually just want to go straight home. Ang safuni next. Gelkatele. Umzimba ubuhlungu. So that, in closing, is my chiropractic first experience. What a weird one. What a weird one. Okay, there's nothing else to say.
Nang makinon wa.
Oh wow. That's so cool. Oh, okay. 감사합니다. 멋지다. Nash, what was that? Oh my gosh. This is like a waterbed. It is so cool. There's like a oh my gosh. No. Oh no, honey. What is this? Oh, wow. It's like a waterbed, ne? And then ngaphakathi tipune. Like this is gonna sound so wrong, but like a vibrator kind of thing.
Okay.
Something, an object that vibrates and moves around. It moves around your whole body, and I think that's to induce circulation. Your body circulation. I've never seen something like this in my life. It's very cool. And it's also warm.
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah. Hey.
Yay.
Hey. Yeah. We do everything we need to do for good health, guys. And what's nice is that the healthcare is very, very, very cheap.
Cheap, yeah.
Oh, now it's by my head. Bag one. Doesn't matter, I'm a bobblehead. Like, you can't dance your ear this way, that way. Oh my gosh. When would you do this?
Yeah.
Le?
Ngày hai lần. Hey.
Thank.
Give me more money.
네.
Okay, twice a day.
네.
Okay, after eating.
오케이.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Physical pain sucks ass. Sucks to suck. So now I've turned to my side. The nurse has instructed me to sleep sideways like this. I found out what this button does. This button. It's to call for help, assistance. If you need the assistance, there's one nurse who speaks a little bit of English. So he's the one who told me what this button's about. So now I've turned sideways because they've put like a vibrating thing on my back. They've put like a, I don't know what, but like it's like a vibrating suction cup thing on my back. I don't even know how it looks like. I'm gonna check using the camera actually. Okay, because the nurse actually asked me what level do I want it. I'm like, crank it up the highest level possible. Let it be high. Let's check. I heard it's a laser thing, something that is laser related. Okay, humble born.
어머니 이쪽으로 오세요. 어머니 찜질을 어디 하실 거예요? 내가 여기 어디 이렇게 잡은데.
The actual orthopedic bed is heated, so that's nice. Yeah, I mean, I've never experienced something like this before. These orthopedic boots are the shiznit, man. Need this in my life. It's like a wooden bed thing, but yeah, alas, communication is always a barrier. Not knowing how to speak the language. Classic example. I was told to press this, but I think I pressed it too long. And then he was like, no. The nurse in charge of this whole setup. So that's why I'm serious about Korean, about learning. I have to learn this language now. It's about damn time. Well, I've started learning. Just hope I get far with it. Just reading and writing, not necessarily speaking. I still don't understand, so I hope I get there one day. Fingers crossed. But yeah, man, let's just look at the boots again. This is so cool. Like, it's like these orthopedic boots, like they squeeze my ankle, they're squeezing my shin, they're squeezing my calf, squeezing my knee. Wild.